Hi guys, thought we'd do a little video coming from the other end of the resort. We're obviously staying right at the opposite end of Costa Teguise, and we thought we'd try a video from the very end. We've never been up this actual part of the resort, so I thought we'd come and take a look. Got some fantastic waves out there. The windsurfers are having a great day. And if I spin you round, we've got the hotel, which I've seen on many videos and couldn't place where it was. Clearly it's up this end of Costa Teguise, and we've got this nice little bay here. Now the name of this bay escapes me, but yeah, I'm going to put it on screen, tell you where we are if you're fancying a trip in one of these hotels. It is very breezy at the moment. I think just in Costa Teguise generally at the moment. It was yesterday in Matagorda as well, but you can see once you've got the hotel in the way, the wind drops and it's not so bad. I say this is a lovely little sheltered bay here. Be great for a little bit of swimming or snorkeling, and we're just chilling out on the beach. And the wind's going to pick up now as we get past the building on the hotel, which is acting like a natural windbreak. So we thought we'd just show you some of this resort, well, some of this part of this resort anyway. I don't know whether you can pick that up on the camera. We've got some little turnstones there on the shore, just moving around. And as you can see from the palm trees, it's very windy today. Got the cranes in the distance there. They're building some more new hotels. And we'll just continue along. We've got a large parking area which seems to be very popular with van lifers. Certainly plenty of motorhomes and camper vans in that parking lot. And we've got another old windmill. This hotel here looks as if it's being refurbished at the moment. Again, when that's open, you've got some cracking views out across the bay there. Absolutely fantastic. So we've got the windsurfers there heading out. They're going to have a great time out there. That's sailboarding, isn't it? It's called when they've got the sail rather than a wind sail. It's like a parachute, that. And he's off. So as I said earlier, this car park absolutely packed with camper vans and surf vans. People just yeah, living in their vans, I think, and stopping overnight here. Can't blame them. Lovely view. So as we get to the end of this part of the bay, we've got the hotel next to us, which is I think the original one designed by César Manrique, and is in fact the oldest hotel in Costa Teguise. One last look across the bay there. Plenty of access for anybody who can't manage the steps. You can still enjoy the beach. At this point here, it's a bit of a sun trap. We've got very little breeze coming in off the sea. It's really nice. Tad warm by comparison to what it's like when we get round the corner and we get hit by the breeze again. So as we turn the corner, you'll see the familiar pieces of public art in the distance there, which is the normal view of Costa Teguise. And I said, yes, this hotel here, I believe, is the original hotel designed by renowned Canarian artist César Manrique. If you visit the island and you're going on a trip, you will guarantee to be going to one of the resorts where César Manrique has designed one of the art installations there. Absolutely fantastic, from the cactus gardens to I think it's the island home that he designed for himself, and also the art installation place where they have the little white crabs in the cave. And now I'll put that on screen, the name of that one, because I can't quite remember it. We did go to that one on our first trip here to Lanzarote. We took one of those tours that takes you to practically everywhere on the island, and we got to see all of these different features. But really, to appreciate that, you need to be hiring a car and arriving when there aren't any tourist coaches, because it literally was go in one end, walk through it and come out the other. Didn't really have time to appreciate it fully. So there's a good view of the hotel. As I say, I think this is the one designed by César Manrique. As you can see how ornate those staircases are, it's got to be somebody who's a bit of an artist. I don't think you get that kind of detail out of a regular architect. Definitely a bit of concept design there, I think. So there we go, that's the name of the hotel. And we'll continue our little journey further round. Now this is the more familiar end of Costa Teguise, well, familiar to us anyway. I've spent many a time along this part, but haven't actually been round to the part where we started. So if your name's on there, leave a comment down below. And I think we've lost the sun again. Seems to have gone in. But we'll continue all the way now up to the start of the new development. So guys, a slight change of plan. We're just going to finish the video here now, as we're going to head off for the bus back to our hotel. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the north part of the resort, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Bye for now.